So you're currently using ChatGPT in your business and want to link your social profiles. Let me show you how to link your website, GitHub, or your LinkedIn profile. So once you're inside ChatGPT, go ahead and click your profile in the lower left hand side and click on settings. Now under this section here, click on account at the bottom. And here you want to scroll down and you will have a section called links. You can add your website, but in order to do that, you need to verify it. So click the plus, enter your website domain here and click submit. That's going to allow you to proceed with the verification process. Now, you can also link your LinkedIn as well. So you can click on add and sign into LinkedIn. That's going to go ahead and link it for you right there. Let me go back. And also you can link GitHub. It will do the same thing for you. So if you want to link your GitHub, go ahead and proceed with the same and you'll be able to link GitHub. And that's it. Those are the three options that you actually have to link your social accounts. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.